Welcome back. Continuing the news, the problem-plagued Fly Jamaica Airlines today announced that it will make the positions of all its workers redundant. Fly Jamaica CEO Paul Reese issued a letter to the employees informing them that the job cuts will be effective this Sunday. Mr. Reese said due to Fly Jamaica's lack of aircraft and the impact on the company's financial position, there was no choice but to send the workers home. The airline also revealed that there has been a delay in getting financing, but it was still trying to pay the workers their salaries due from last November. Mr. Reese said if Fly Jamaica's financial position improves in the future, the workers will be invited to apply for positions at the airline. The majority of the airline staff is in Jamaica. Just fewer than 150 people are employed to Fly Jamaica's local operations. The airline has been trying to recover after one of its planes crash landed at the TVJ International Airport in Guyana in November.
Meanwhile, there's a call this evening for government intervention into a long-standing issue between Fly Jamaica and its customers. That as the airline continues to renege on promises to reimburse customers who purchased tickets for flights which didn't operate. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has that story.
Fly Jamaica customers outside the airline's office in New Kingston on Friday, being greeted by a locked door and no representatives in sight. They are here for monies they were told would be reimbursed after their flights were cancelled last year.
I just want my money. I'm ignorant, I'm heart full, I'm tired.
This woman showed us a letter sent to her for the refund to be paid out today. But instead,
we have been getting the runaround for 4 months now for our refund of tickets that we purchased. They told us 6 to 8 weeks, and it's been more than 4 months now.
Because $600 it cost me if you come back down. So I need my money. If I have cement, more my money to buy.
Fly Jamaica has been struggling to maintain its fleet since one of its 2 aircraft crash-landed in Guyana in 2018.
So it's in November now the accident happened, and from that now, that's where all this chaos start from. They didn't think to put us on a different flight. I was left stranded in Canada, both me and my niece.
They are appealing for the government to intervene.
We need some heads of government now to butt in, because it wasn't me or any simple person that sell the airline or anything. So we have to start from heads of government. We need on help.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.